optimism. These days, our enrollment is growing at a brisk pace of 5 to 9% per year. But this rate pales in comparison to the growth when John first came to UTD. In those first 5 years, enrollment more than doubled every year. Thank goodness the doubling didn't continue. Think of how difficult parking would be with a quadrillion students. But one thing that has not changed over John's half-century at UT Dallas is the importance of his scientific instruments in advancing our understanding of the very matter of our cosmic neighborhood. One of John's spectrometers gave us a window into the composition of Halley's Comet and may well have inspired the adoption of a comet as our university's mascot. Another of John's spectrometers was aboard the Phoenix Mars lander that definitively established the existence of water on Mars. While this landmark finding was the primary objective of the mission, John and his team celebrated only for a moment, and then were eager to get on with the real science of Martian mineralogy. Note, this science is not strictly academic. The company, SpaceX, has a plan to begin the establishment of a permanent human presence on Mars within the next few years. And you can be sure that the mineralogical survey conducted with John's instrument has been critical to assessing the viability of this venture. John truly contributed to the golden age of space exploration. This is just amazing. Despite all of John's scientific success, when asked which of his accomplishments made him most proud, John cited his work with students and in administration. Interestingly, John, who is in physics, and I in chemistry, actually had a student in common. John, do you recall the name of the student? It was Derek Smith.
Oh, yes.
Derek Smith was my very first student.
Great.
Here at UT Dallas. In fact, I was most fortunate when he was waiting to join my research group when I arrived in the fall of 1992. Derek helped me establish a scanning probe microscopy lab and conducted research that resulted in a master's thesis that was entitled Scanning Probe Microscopy of Langmuir-Blodgett Deposited Films of Polygamma Benzyl L-Glutamate.
Oh, yeah.
Derek later joined Dr. Hoffman's lab to conduct doctoral research on a mass spectrometry project entitled Semiconductor Gas Purity and Process Characterization by Fourier Transform Ion Cyclotron Resonance. So that's our commonality. With energy and passion, John has also served UT Dallas in several administrative roles. As head of the Department of Physics, as Associate Dean of Natural Sciences and Mathematics, and as Associate Dean for Undergraduate Education. So John, thank you so very much for your gifts of being a faculty colleague, mentor, and leader throughout all of these years. Congratulations on your 50 years of service to UT Dallas and on your retirement, and we all wish you well. Thank you.